don't even know what day it is. It's Monday. We didn't close out yesterday. We were too busy in the lobby, talking some talk.
Walking the walk. Doing what I want.
There's an echo in here. We are headed
really
to
my rapping skills.
The seals. We're headed to the plane. We're headed to the iceberg. We're headed to the black sand. Headed to the waterfalls. We're headed to the trim spa. See you there. Okay, kids. We have just arrived. The Glacier Lagoon. Everybody here is taking selfies. Us included. Drone action, go.
So we're on some really big bridge that has pull-offs. It's one lane and we've been driving on it for the past 2 minutes. Iceberg ahead. There's a glacier. It's rapidly headed our way. We must drive faster.
Almost to the black sands. We already saw some black sand with the glaciers, but we're gonna go get something to eat at the Coca-Cola Classic Bar. Ooh, ooh. Maryland cookies all day long. Some little kid just bit me.
Bit you?
With these little claws on his hands.
You know, I just woke up from the nap. Feeling pretty good, feeling pretty rested. Might take another snooze if I'm not driving. We're out here. We're in Vic, right? We're in Vic. About to get another hamburger. My number's 29 because I just turned 29.
Oh, let's go to Seal Island.
Hey everybody, this is Mike and JMO coming to you live from Iceland. JMO, what do you think about it so far? Cool.
All right. Oh, you think you're gonna stop us? We're gonna walk right over. Okay, since about the middle of March, people walk down to see the airplane. I mean, drive down. But reports say it's heard that there is a flip-flop. Someone lost their luggage. I don't know, people were trashing the beach or driving their cars stupid or doing whatever. So now people have to walk all the way down. What up, what up, what up, what up? This is our second to last hotel. Tomorrow night we're going to where we were the first night. We are at Foss Hotel Helka. It looks like a little cabin. Sunset. They're supposed to have jacuzzis here, so let's hope that they do. Y'all saw the plane. No vlog from the plane. Y'all are playing. Hot body!
Hey, yo, this is WinCam 2016. We doing it right, we doing it big. We got hot bodies.
I don't see any steam.
I need to see something.
I'm so icy. I'm so icy. There. Did you bring the speaker?
No.
No. Oh.
Oh,
It's full though. Oh. This one looks a little rough.
dirty.
This one looks a little better.
Looks a little dirty.
Yeah, it's good. Oh, we about to get some. What's up, kids? Sunset. We on Helka. All right, kids. Hot spring. Good job. I don't need to be in that too long. It wasn't even a hot spring. It was just a jacuzzi. But this boy is tired. I think I drove 4 hours today. So this will end tonight's vlog. I think we're waking up tomorrow and actually going to another Blue Lagoon hot spring. And we will see you there. Until tomorrow, be kind to one another. No, Ben Brown.